From you see that I stand here at 10 o'clock. I started here. 10:30 time is there. Nobody has come on counter. What is this nonsense? Why government is paying the payment to this type of people? Remove all the people. Put at least new people.
Yes, this gentleman has every right to ask these questions. He is not the first man who doesn't like to wait at the counter for long to avail government services. There are various government offices, hospitals where you can see a long queue. Among them, many people find themselves lucky to get their work done on time, and many return bare-handed. But in many parts in the country, folks are fortunate to get their work done just by one click on their computer. For them, waiting in a long queue to pay bill or standing on government offices' counter is history. This is just because of eSeva, which has been proved as a boon for them. Whether it's government offices, hospitals or billing counter, eSeva has empowered the citizen to avail the services immediately.
To tell about this eSeva, we are having more benefits with this, power bill, municipal taxes and all. If others passports, something else, yes, right. And we are having benefits of this.
eSeva facility has been provided by the then government, Chandrababu Naidu was the Chief Minister. It's a nice concept. It's really, we are very happy with this facility because we can pay any bill, electricity bill, water bill, or any other tax, etc. So many facilities, even passport, etc.
Like other citizens, an IAS Suresh Chandra, who has headed the IT department earlier, also thinks the similar way. Unlike others, he emphasizes on paperless office or office with less paper and very satisfied with eSeva.
Even if you're out of station, you can still do your job. Last time, I was waiting for my airport for 2 hours flight, I could do my office work. So when I came back, my office was, I didn't have any file pending with me. Had it been a manual system and the next day come back from tour, my office will be full of files. So that has an advantage.
But at the end, an IAS Mr. Chandra also fears some challenges.
E-office has a really serious challenges because it's basically built on where people is like a one-man office. Means you have to open system, you have to view it, you have to type yourself, you have to print yourself, send it. And somehow government office systems have been on different mode. So basically the people, maybe new generation will find it easy to adopt, but people who are slightly not very comfortable with computer systems are finding it difficult to use it and all that.
eSeva, a dream project of Andhra Pradesh government, is to redefine citizen services through information technology in all aspects of development and governance. Through eSeva, pioneering efforts are also being made to reach the benefits of IT to the citizens of all strata, be it urban or rural, rich and poor, literate and illiterate.
eSeva is a very convenient place where you can pay your telephone bills and electricity bills, and you can also get a passport applications here. You can do all things you can get all things in one place, and it is very convenient because you don't have to go to that particular office to do your work. It's all done at one place.
In eSeva, all the details arrive at the computer terminal of within few minutes automatically through the internet with the help of software agents crawling across various state and central government web service directories, collecting and presenting information and facts automatically in real time without any bias. Whether it is ticket reservation, payment of bills, taxes or registration in hospitals for consultation, eSeva has become one of the topmost served helpline today in Andhra Pradesh as one-stop solution, and it saves the people from running around various departments.
eSeva में 1 year से लगाया हम eSeva में जो सर्विस मिल रही है वो पब्लिक को बहुत रिस्पांस है, अच्छा रिस्पांस आ रहा है और फैसिलिटीज थोड़ी बहुत मांग रहे हो.
The major service that is here is the medical advice. Out of the calls, we get around 50,000 calls in a day. which have been addressed by our registration officers. That is the first level of operations, and the calls from there get transferred to the medical advice department. They answer around 26,000 calls. That is about 94% of the transferred calls are on medical advice, calling us for different ailments. It could be the people are suffering from that ailment, or it could be they want information on that ailment. It could be for themselves, or could be for anybody else also. The third department what we have is a information directory, wherein we have information regarding anything concerned to medical, whether it comes to the specialist, whether it comes to the hospitals, whether it comes to the associated services like blood banks, medical shops, surgical shops, transplant, organ transplantation centers, or anything, or hearing aids, addiction centers. All this information is also available with that.
Not just for citizens, eSeva presents many avenues for improving governance as well. It has opened up new opportunities for governments to manage things differently and in a more efficient manner by utilizing information effectively and re-engineering processes. eSeva are emerging as important instruments towards the goal of good governance.
It's on the PPP model where there is service charges are recovered, and therefore there is no extra, you can say, budgetary involvement in as far as government is concerned. And it's very user friendly. We have done lakhs of applications on this system that have been processed successfully. The candidates can download the hall ticket easily, and the instances of hall tickets missing in post, they have also come down. So it reduces delays and brings a user-friendly system for people.
This software development, whoever does the PPP mode, normally the ownership should, when they develop the program at the instance of a particular state government, they should insist in the agreement that the software ownership shall be ultimately rest with the respective state government. Otherwise, after a period, the PPP partner may say that I will stop my service from a such and such state, and he may threaten you. So that shall not become a monopoly. If once your ownership is yours.
Indian government has been continuously endeavoring to provide citizens services in a better manner through eSeva. There have been several successful initiatives and many noteworthy projects have undertaken till date in various states like Andhra Pradesh. As the eSeva centers spread across the country, life will become a lot simpler for citizens.